Good morning, students. Hope you all are good and staying safely at your home. So, students, previously in my video, I had discussed about the two part of the questions, that is the back question of the chapter, the fun they had. Now, I will discuss the third part of the questions of the chapter, that is answer each of these questions in short paragraph about 30 words. So, now today I will discuss the answers. First, the first one is, what kind of a teacher did Margie and Tommy have? So, what comes first in your mind when you come to know that what kind of a teacher did Margie and Tommy have? So, Margie and Tommy had mechanical or robotic teachers. So, you all know that they all belongs from future generation, means 2157. So Margie and Tommy had mechanical or robotic teacher. They were large and black, big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Means it was like you came to know that Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teacher as well as a robotic teacher, you can say, and they are big in screen and black in color, and the words are moving on it, means that they have a e-learning book also. So they were large, big screen on which all lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So I can express my answers like this: Margie and Tommy had mechanical or robotic teachers. They were large and black and ugly with big screens on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Now come to the second question. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? So students, do you remember why Margie's mother had called county inspector? Because Margie's geography section was bit faster according to her level. Means जो मार्गी का जो level था, she is a 11-year-old girl. So जो उसका जो geography का section क्या था, वो उसके 10 times level के higher था. तभी उसकी मदर ने क्या किया था? That's why her mother had called county inspector to look after her mechanical teacher, because she was not doing well in her geography section. So what is the answer for this question? Margie's mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Means she was not doing well in the geography section. So her mother sent for the county inspector to resolve the problem. So this is the answer, that Margie's mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Her mother had sent for the county inspector to resolve the problem. Now what did he do? यहाँ पर he कौन है? Who is a he here? County inspector. Yes. So what did he do? He means county inspector. So county inspector ने क्या किया था? That he had lowered down the level of geography section up to the Margie's level, and now geography section has become easier for Margie to solve the questions. So what is the answer for it? That county inspector took the mechanical teacher apart and set it right within an hour. और उन्होंने हाफ एन आवर में या विद इन एन आवर उन्होंने उसका जो मैकेनिकल टीचर था उसको ठीक कर दिया था. सो एंड ही स्लोड डाउन द ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर बिकॉज इट वाज गियर्ड अ लिटिल टू क्विक फॉर एन एवरेज 10-year-old. मीन्स वो थोड़ा सा अ लिटिल बिट बिकम अ फास्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू द मार्गीज लेवल. सो ही जस्ट स्लो डाउन द ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर अप टू द लेवल ऑफ मार्गी. Now we will come to the fourth question. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Now see, question number 3 and 4 is up to the same thing. बस इसको थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट किया गया है. ठीक है, वही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, बट थोड़ा सा इसको what did he do is the second part of this question. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का अगर सेकेंड पार्ट देखें तो वो सेम है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 की तरह. सो what is the answer? Why was Margie doing badly in geography? Because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick, मतलब कि वो थोड़ा सा little bit faster हो गया था, which posed problem, which is creating a problem before Margie. Now what did county inspector do to help her? The county inspector slowed it up to an average 10-year level equal to that of Margie. तो उन्होंने मार्गी के लेवल पे थोड़ा सा उसको अकॉर्डिंग टू मार्गीज लेवल उन्होंने उसका जो मैकेनिकल टीचर का सेक्टर, ज्योग्राफी सेक्टर था, वो कम कर दिया था. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट हैड वंस हैपेंड टू टॉमीज टीचर. अब ये किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? टॉमीज के मैकेनिकल टीचर की. एंड आई गेस यू ऑल रिमेंबर दैट जो टॉमी के हिस्ट्री सेक्टर था वो क्या हो गया था? इट वॉज टोटली ब्लैंक्ड आउट. दैट वॉज गिवन इन पैराग्राफ 8 और 9 पैराग्राफ, जहाँ पर आपके 8 to 10 पैराग्राफ में आपको यही बताया गया है कि टॉमी का जो मैकेनिकल टीचर थे उन्होंने हिस्ट्री सेक्शन में क्या हुआ था? इट वॉज टोटली ब्लैंक्ड आउट. सो टॉमीज मदर हैड कॉल्ड काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर, एंड व्हेन काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर केम टू टॉमीज हाउस, he took the mechanical teacher and it for repair, and it was since it was for 1 month when Tommy had not studied because his mechanical teacher was gone for a repair. So Tommy's teacher was once taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Now fifth, what we were doing? Fifth one. Okay, sixth one. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? So what is the answer? Do you remember? Okay, I'm having a book. So it is given in 9th paragraph. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पर 9th paragraph में लिखा है ना that Margie went into the school room. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Sunday and Saturday. So it was like what you can say the question is, what did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, then why? So the answer is yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother believed that little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. Her mechanical teacher was also on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So answer is in your question paragraph 9, that it was right next to her bedroom. Margie had a mechanical teacher and it was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday because her mother said little girl learned better if they learned at regular hours. Now next question. The next question is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Now students, this is the question that you can come and extra question also. ये आपके 8 marks के में भी आ सकता है. How Tommy had described the old kind of a school. So Tommy described the old kind of a school as a special building where all the kids went to study together. They laughed and shouted together in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom and went to home together at the end of the day. And the teacher were not mechanical but human beings. So do you remember कि भाई इन्होंने क्या बोला था कि that this is your Tommy had described that the old kind of school has a special building and there was no mechanical teacher. There was a human being who came there and give the homework and classwork, and they share the same knowledge. The students of the same age are like coming and sitting together, and they are sharing the they all are having a fun. So the answer should be like this. Tommy described the old kind of a school as a special building where all the kids went to study together. They laughed and shouted together in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom and went to home together at the end of the day. And the teacher were not mechanical but human beings. Now the 8th question. How does he describe the old kind of a teacher? Tommy described the old kind of a teacher as human being who taught the students in a group inside the special building. The teachers told the boys and girls things and give them homework and ask them questions. So टॉमी ने क्या डिस्क्राइब किया था when मार्गी said कि भाई I am not going to give permission to any human being or any man to enter in my होम लाइक हाउस में मैं अपने किसी को भी घर में एंटर नहीं करने दूंगी अ स्ट्रेंज पर्सन और अ स्ट्रेंज मैन. सो व्हाट द टॉमी हैड रिप्लाइड दैट द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ अ टीचर इज एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. वी हैड अ मैकेनिकल टीचर बट दे हैव अ human being and who taught the students in group inside a special building, and their teacher told the boys and girls things and give them homework and ask them questions. So this is your answer number question part 3, and 8 questions. You have to write it down in your rough copy or a fair copy, you whatever copy you are using it. So now we will come to the fourth part. So what is the fourth part? What are the main features of the mechanical teacher in a school room that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So students, this is like it could be of 8 marks. ये 8 marks के answers में आ सकता है, तो it would be it could be little bit long answer. आपको इसको 3 lines में नहीं लिखना होगा कि 3 lines में लिख के ख़त्म कर दिया. No, this time you have to write it down in more than a paragraph, like more than your 8 or 10 lines. ठीक है, इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस इट, जस्ट लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली. So the first question is, what are the main features of the mechanical teacher and the school room that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Now listen it very carefully. I had written it in a copy, so I'm reading it out. Margie and Tommy were taught by the mechanical teacher. They were large and black with big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. They were adjusted according to the level of the students. Margie and Tommy had to put their homework and test paper in their slot. Now they used to write their answer in a punch code, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks within a second. Their school were not somewhere else in the like the old kind of a school has the separate building. They had their school next to their bedroom. Like for example, Margie's school room was right next to her bedroom. They did not have any classmate, nor they did enjoy playing and laughing with other students like the student of the old time do. They learned geography, history and arithmetic. No Hindi and no English. So you have to write down the given subject only, that is the geography, history and arithmetic. They had regular days and hours for school. The mechanical teacher was very punctual. It turned on at the same time every day except Sunday and Saturday. So this is the whole answer for this question. So it is little bit lengthy and you have to write down the lengthy answer. ठीक है, इसको आपको थोड़ा सा long answer में लिखना पड़ेगा because it can come in your 8 marks. Now the second one, why did Margie hate school and why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? So now I can share like this that the question says कि why did Margie hate school? अब मार्गी हेट क्यों करती थी वो इतना ज़्यादा? वाई डिड शी हेट स्कूल एंड वाई डिड शी थिंक द ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल मस्ट हैव बीन फन? तो हेट स्कूल मतलब वो जो अपने मैकेनिकल टीचर वाले स्कूल से वो हेट करती है. ठीक है, सो नाउ आई एम रिपीटिंग द आंसर्स. मार्गी हेटेड स्कूल बिकॉज इट लैक्ड फन. ठीक है, वो बिकॉज इट लैक्ड फन. शी वॉज टॉट बाय अ मैकेनिकल टीचर हु वॉज वेरी पंचुअल. As you all know that it was opened at the same time and except Saturday and Sunday, and they don't have any classmates. So she was taught by a mechanical teacher who was very punctual. It turned on at the same time every day and Margie had to sit before it to learn things. She had developed some problem about learning geography from her mechanical teacher. So it had been giving her test after test and she had been doing worse in the test. Seeing her problem, her mother sent for the county inspector who took the teacher apart. Margie hoped that the inspector wouldn't know how to put it together. मीन्स वो कैसे वो ये सोच के चल रही थी कि इंस्पेक्टर को शायद ये ना पता हो उसे कैसे रिपेयर करे, कैसे ठीक करे. तो वो शायद पूरे मंथ के लिए हमारे मैकेनिकल टीचर को ले जाए, ठीक है। बट शी वॉज डिसअपॉइंटेड व्हेन ही सेट इट राइट विद इन एन आवर, बट वो डिसअपॉइंट हो गई क्योंकि काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर ने क्या किया था, उन्होंने पूरा का पूरा उसको विद इन एन आवर में ठीक करके वापस मार्गी के क्लासरूम में रख दिया था। The part that she hated the most was the slot where she had to put homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch code which she never liked. ठीक है, वो कभी उस पंच कोड और में टेस्ट करके या वो पेपर होमवर्क करके वो स्लॉट में रखना नहीं चाहती थी, बिकॉज शी हेटेड द होमवर्क विच शी वांट्स लाइक शी हैज़ टू डू. Now, why the second part is why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? देखो इसमें दो पार्ट है. एक फर्स्ट पार्ट आप इसको 5 to 6 लाइन में डिस्क्राइब कर दो, सेकंड पार्ट को भी 5 to 6 लाइन में डिस्क्राइब कर दोगे तो आपका आंसर ऐसे लेंदी बच जाएगा, बट टू द पॉइंट होना चाहिए, ठीक है. नाउ आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द स्कूल. The old kind of school fascinated her too much because it offered great fun to the students. Why she think that the old kind of school had a fun? Because all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting things together in the school room, going home together, and at the end of the day they learned the same thing so that they could help one another with the homework also. And the teacher were not mechanical but human being who gave them homework and asked them questions. All these things made her think that the old kind of school must have been fun. So there are the two parts for this question. Even yes, there are the two parts for this question. तो आप इसको 6 लाइन फर्स्ट में, अगर मोर देन 6 लाइन आ रहा तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हो. मोर देन 5 to 6 लाइन में आपको ये आंसर लिखना है फर्स्ट पार्ट. इसी तरह सेकंड पार्ट का भी मोर देन 5 to 6 लाइन में. नाउ दिस इज योर थर्ड क्वेश्चन शुड बी इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. सो आई हैव रिटन इन माई ओन वर्ड्स. You can write it in your own words, whatever you think it. So the third part is, do you agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reason for your answer. So are you agree with the Margie that the school today are more fun than the school in the story? जो स्कूल दिया गया है स्टोरी में वो ज़्यादा मतलब कि दैट इज़ मोर फन देन द स्कूल द स्टूडेंट विच आर शेयरिंग द स्कूल इन द ओल्ड डेज. So what I had written the answer, I am just discussing with you all. You whatever you have your opinion, you can write it in your own words. So answer what I had written is that yes, I agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story. Yes, I agree with the Margie. अब आप इस तरीके से सोचो कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी क्या है, बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन यू ऑल आर सिटिंग इन योर हाउस. ठीक है, आप लोग हाउस अरेस्ट पे रहो. यू ऑल आर नॉट कमिंग टू अ स्कूल, इवन वी आर नॉट कमिंग टू अ स्कूल. तो यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी फन हियर. ठीक है, आपको कोई फन नहीं मिल रहा है. यू आर हैविंग योर मोबाइल इन योर हैंड एंड फ्रॉम सिंस मॉर्निंग यू आर सिटिंग एंड हैविंग योर वीडियोज दैट योर टीचर्स आर सेंडिंग इट. आप अभी मस्ती नहीं कर पा रहे हो. यू आर नॉट एबल टू टॉक टू योर फ्रेंड्स जैसे आप लोग क्लासेस में करते हो. द टीचर आर टीचिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू और आप लोग क्या करते हो, पीछे बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ मस्ती करते रहते हो. सम ऑफ यू, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स बट सम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, स्पेशली द बैक बेंचर्स. ओके, सो yes, I agree with Margie that school today are more fun than the school in the story because the school in the story lacks human interaction because of the absence of teacher. Children go nowhere to learn things but stay indoors and their school are in their houses. The mechanical teacher teach them which is no way interesting because that is a punctual. अब हम लोग क्या होता है, अगर क्लास की बेल लगती है, सेकंड पीरियड की बेल, तो टीचर को आने में टाइम लग जाता है. नीचे से ऊपर आते हैं या फिर मान लो बगल में ही है तो भी अगर कोई लेक्चर फिनिश करना है तो सेकेंड क्लास में पहुंचने में 5 मिनट्स हो जाता है. उस 5 मिनट्स में आप लोग क्या करते हैं, यू ऑल हैव अ ग्रेट फन एट योर क्लासेस, इन योर क्लासेस विद योर friends. So but in the school which is described in the story, that is basically there was a mechanical teacher and there was no other students and that girl had to sit in front of the mechanical teacher and that is very punctual also. So here the school the mechanical teacher teach them which is no way interesting. There are always anybody's help and writing them in a punch code like they are always switched on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday, doing homework without anybody's help. बट द स्कूल टुडे आर अ ग्रेट फन, मतलब कि अब वो बता रही है कि जो हमारा पास्ट के बारे में, मतलब कि जो अभी हम लोगों का स्कूल है. सो बट द स्कूल टुडेज आर अ ग्रेट फन बिकॉज दे ऑफर मेनी थिंग्स दैट चिल्ड्रन लाइक टू मच. For example, in these school, teaches the student and give them homework and ask them questions all together in the school room, going home together at the end of the day. Since the kids are of the same age, are taught at the same things, so they help one another with the homework and talk about it. Thus, human interaction is possible in these school, which is enjoyed by children of all age. So अभी क्या है, अभी आप लोगों की जूम क्लासेस चल रही हैं, तो यू ऑल आर हैविंग अ फन कि यस बाय internet or by Zoom classes you are watching your ma'am or sir, you are having the interaction. But school that is described in the story is not as much as fun because there was no human being. So Margie don't have any interaction with the human being. There was a mechanical teacher. Now when she was sitting in front of mechanical teacher, she was feeling nostalgia. Why? Because she was thinking about the ओल्ड काइंड ऑफ स्कूल कि कैसे वहाँ पर बच्चे जाते होंगे, और एक बिल्डिंग थी जहाँ पर टीचर आता था, होमवर्क देता था और सबको पढ़ाता था, एक सेम एज ग्रुप के बच्चे. और वहाँ पर सेम एज ग्रुप के बच्चे क्या करते थे, दे आर हैविंग अ फन, दे आर शेयरिंग द सेम नॉलेज एंड दे आर लाइक ईटिंग with each other and doing homework. Everything was there. So according to her, the school today are more fun than the school that is described in the story. That what I thought. So you can write it in your own words. Students, after this there is no exercise that you have to do. You are now in 9th class. Only question answers are going to come. So this is your answers which I had discussed with you today. You have to write down the answers in your fair copy or a rough copy wherever you are writing it. Secondly, I am giving you 5 extra questions in which you all have to write down the answers in your fair copy. और ये आपके 8 marks के होंगे. So you have to write down the answer according to the 8 marks. ठीक है. I am giving you 5 questions or 3 questions, and that answers you have to write down in your fair copy or a rough copy. Wherever you are writing down the answers of your English Beehive, you can write it down, and that 3 or 5 questions which I am giving you as an extra question, you have to write down that answer in your own words in a rough copy or a fair copy. That is of 8 marks. 8 marks के आंसर कभी भी 2 और 3 लाइन्स में मत लिखिएगा. इट शुड बी मोर देन 10 और 10 to 15 लाइन्स के बीच में होना चाहिए, या मोर देन 8 लाइन्स. 8 और 15 के बीच का मार्जिन लेके चलिए. अभी से अगर आंसर्स अपने ओन वर्ड्स में लिखना स्टार्ट करोगे तो ही उसमें आपको अपनी खुद की मिस्टेक्स पता चलेंगी. ठीक है. तो I want all of you to write down the extra questions in your fair copy or a rough copy wherever you are writing. I'm repeating this word again and again because you all have a confusion कि भाई हम कहाँ लिखे आंसर्स. तो बेटा मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है, जहाँ अभी आपका मन कर रहा है, जहाँ आपके पास कोई रफ कॉपी है या किसी बच्चे ने फेयर कॉपी में किया है, तो वो कहीं पर भी लिख सकता है. एंड यू कैन शो मी योर आंसर्स. Like you can share that answer or a page with me on my WhatsApp number. And now you will do this one, and I'm sharing the 3 or 5 questions with you all. Just write down those answers and you can show me on my WhatsApp number. Till then, thank you. And in my next class, yes, I am going to teach you the letter. Now I will not continue the beehive. अब मैं आपको लेटर पढ़ाऊँगी और लेटर के बाद मैं आपका फिर से मैं बिहाइव पढ़ाऊँगी. बट टिल देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट माई लेटर. ठीक है. मैं सिर्फ लेटर पढ़ाऊँगी. अब बिहाइव को मैं यहीं पर स्टॉप करूँगी फॉर अ टाइम बीइंग. इसके बाद मैं लेटर पढ़ाऊँगी. लेटर में आपके 5 लेटर्स हैं जिसको मैं आपको विथ एग्जाम्पल 2 एग्जाम्पल्स विद द फॉर्मेट आई विल टेल यू. and I will give you each letter example, like 2 example of the each letter plus 2 questions. आपको मैं उस पर 2 questions दूंगी and you have to write down those 2 questions and you have to show me your format. स्टूडेंट्स, मैं जिस तरीके से आपको फॉर्मेट दिखाऊंगी उसी तरीके से आपको फॉर्मेट में लिखना रहेगा, उसी मैनर में लिखना रहेगा, उसी तरीके से लिखना रहेगा. ठीक है. So wait for my next video that is related to your grammar portion, that is your letter. Till then, thank you. Take care. Bye bye.